Guys, this feels tight. Breast milk and Dermaroller works. I approve it. Have you ever tried using breast milk with Dermarolling? Guys, today I will actually show you how I'm using breast milk with Dermarolling. Yes, it is my breast milk. After 1 year of breastfeeding, my baby stopped. He doesn't want anymore. I was ready to continue for 1 more year. He stopped. He doesn't want, and this is a little bit that I have left of breast milk. I will be using after I dermaroll my skin with the Dermarolling. Both combined, they should make my skin look amazing. We all know benefits of breast milk, incredible antioxidants, stem cells, growth hormones should make my skin look beautiful, but I have not tried this, so I'm trying with you guys together right now, and I'm so excited. If you can't breastfeed and you do not produce breast milk, please do not judge those women who do have. I do have breast milk. I did for 1 year. I can't complain. God bless me. Thank God. That's why I'm testing. I'm gonna have just a few drops just to test it out. Please do not judge. If anyone will be judging or criticizing in any way, shape, or form, you guys will be blocked, because I know some moms can get sensitive around this topic. So please, let's support one another, moms. I know how difficult it is, but please, I'm not you and you're not me. Just let's love one another, okay? So what do I do before that? I actually disinfect my skin. This is a new Dermaroller which already is disinfected, and I disinfect my skin with the foam oxygen, which is actually liquid oxygen in a foam form. And guys, this works better than alcohol and does not strip and does not destroy your skin's protective lipid barrier, which we definitely need. We already have 80% of population with sensitive and sensitized skin, and we don't need to get to the 90%, okay? Face cloth that I'm using only for the space to wipe out the foam. All right, so I disinfected my skin right now, and I wipe out foam, which is a normal thing to do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually dermaroll, and then I'm gonna apply breast milk. I don't know how I'm gonna apply that from the bottle. I'll figure out, but for now, let's just dermaroll, okay? This is 0.5 millimeter Dermaroller, replaceable head Dermaroller from Jen Army Beauty. But by the way, you ladies, some of you asked how this works. How do you click in? How do you open? You have to press this button in order to open. Like, kind of put your thumb here on this part, like this over here. Put your thumb there, this finger here, and then you need to use the force to open. And the same thing, some of you like, Jen, doesn't close. It's not gonna close like that. Ladies, you have to like push it. Have some energy in your arms. Not gonna lie, sometimes it takes some effort, but that's why you wanted to have replaceable head Dermaroller, and I got you. And this is actually a really great way to save the planet. You only replace the head and you use the body for the rest of your life. All right, so you already know the gig. How does this work? You roll for like 5 minutes in horizontal or vertical directions. If you're beginners, if you're advanced, you can do crossover as well. If you want a full demo tutorial and you don't know what I'm talking about, what is Dermarolling, I'm gonna put somewhere link over here in the upper corner. Click there, watch that video, and then come back over here. I'm kind of nervous because I never use breast milk on my face, and especially on the skin after I finish microneedling. This is insane. I know I'm crazy. Yes. Leave the comments down below. Jen, you're crazy, and that will be my compliment. Up like kind of 5 times up over one direction. I know I'm all over the place right now because I'm actually so excited about the breast milk. This is crazy. I'm the most excited about the breast milk on my skin. Oh my God, this is really... Woo! You know, guys, why you should replace Dermaroller every 10 uses and no more than that? Because every time you use, Dermaroller needle gets duller. This is why it's a little bit more painful, because I just took this new head and it's the sharpest, and it's okay. Anyway, this is done. This is what I do. All right, so let's try. I don't know if it's like that. By the way, I wash. Okay, this works. I don't need the dropper. It feels like fatty. Okay, kind of like it feels fatty feeling. Interesting. Okay, it's not stinging, not burning or anything like that. Let's try on this cheek. Kind of like pressing. So I pumped this milk and I put in the bottle and I kept in the fridge. And now I'm using on my skin, and I really can't wait to see results like in the next few hours and even tomorrow. Wow. 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 Actually, it doesn't burn anything. It feels like actually a soothing sensation. Holy smokes. It feels like calming. It feels like usually when you apply product after microneedling, it feels like kind of a little bit like stinging, uncomfortable, burning feeling. All right, I think, guys, this is approved by me. I will be developing serums and cream line with the breast milk. And I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I will figure out. Let me try, actually right now, since I apply, let me try to dermaroll in a little bit on the top of that. I'm looking at the mirror so I can see actually. Okay. Breast milk and microneedling. They do hand in hand together. They go hand in hand together. It's really kind of cooling, like soft, like feels like soft, like nurturing, like a milk. Makes me feel like loved. Have you guys tasted your breast milk? It's insane. I did test actually. I had a coffee one day. I'm like, I'm gonna put my milk. All right, a little bit more lifting on the brows, a little bit more of the breast milk. I really have to look at the mirror, guys, because I don't want to waste even a drop of the breast milk. It's kind of better when I film and I look directly at the camera. It's better look for you guys like this, right? But when I look in the mirror, it's better for me because that viewfinder in the camera is very little. I do have a computer in front of me, but it's still small. Ooh. All right, I'll apply this in the next maybe hour. Oh, it feels tightening. It feels tight. It does feel tight actually. I love it. It feels like, oh my God, this is the number one. What did I do with my breast milk? I should have saved more. I'm done. I did finish breastfeeding completely 2 weeks ago and I still pumped a few times after that. And I don't think I have anything left. Guys, this feels tight. Breast milk and Dermaroller works. I approve it. Please do not judge me. This is my decision. This is my breast milk. I highly recommend if you're a mom and if you're struggling with breast milk production, go hire lactation specialists. They are amazing. This is the woman that taught me how to actually produce the milk. I know there is no such thing, like nobody's teaching us how to do, but it did happened to me as well. All right, so it's been an hour. I'm gonna be honest with you that it felt like it tight. It is tight, but it feels like kind of when it's super tight. If you ever have done PRP microneedling, you know what I feel right now. So after PRP, you get the same exact thing. Like it feels super tight, but it feels like it's kind of like dry-ish tight. So what I'm gonna do, I'm taking advanced hyaluronic acid serum, which is gonna hydrate, and peptide serum is gonna give a hydration and also anti-aging results. So I'm gonna hydrate. The breast milk is still will stay on the skin, but I'm kind of just dabbing in because it really like kind of like feels like super dry. So I guess when you use breast milk, you want to apply something hydrating after. And okay, feels much better now. Feels much better. It's just, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, guys, not all of us can afford to apply breast milk on our skin, but now it feels okay. Now it feels better. I think I don't know if I will use this again. I guess this video is just for entertainment purposes, for, you know, to have fun. Maybe try once in your lifetime. They say if you keep trying new things in life, you're still young. So I feel young today. That's probably all. I don't think I will ever do this again. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell notification button. You will get notified about amazing microneedling videos like this. I love you guys so much. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!